Wow.
We're still gonna use it.
Was du nicht gestern hier?
A-okay.
In meiner Badewanne. Was du nicht gestern hier? Irgendwo in meinem. Was du nicht.
Okay, so let's get started. Just chop that broccoli up, even the stems, yeah, even the stems. All of that good, baby. Don't throw this baby away. Treasure her. And my broccoli had started to go bad at the tops, but you know, just cut those off. This is a very forgiving recipe. Toss them in the boiling water and boil them for however long you want. I did half an hour. You want to overcook them for this recipe. It is really foolproof, and I know that because I'm a fool. And once your broccoli is severely overcooked, you're gonna wanna put it in, you know, whatever blender you got. You're gonna wanna add water so it's like a quarter up to where your broccoli is. You see what I'm math? More water obviously will make it more loose. Kerrygold, if you know what I mean. You want to add cold butter to this, and the more butter, the more delicious. Salt and pepper, and more pepper, and blitz her up, baby. Gotta do the old tasty taste. So you're gonna need some scallops. Also some flour, salt, pepper, parsley, and some shallot. A nice glass of cheap wine as well. So dump those babies out. We got ours from the farmer's market. Very friendly fish guy over there. Salt, pepper, toss it good. Chop that shallot, chop that parsley. And get a pan hot and use a fat. And bacon fat. So we're gonna use some of this baby to cook our scallops in. You should use butter, but we used it all in the broccoli, so bacon fat it is. And get that pan nice and hot so that they sear. Crust. Crush some garlic. And a little white wine spritzer, if you know what I mean. Add the shallots and parsley. Oh, look at that sauce. Messy kitchen, messy kitchen. Okay. We're gonna plate the puree now. Pay attention. We're gonna take a spoonful of the broccoli and plop it. We're gonna plop it. Oops, messy. We're gonna plop some more. We're gonna take our spoon. We're gonna go, oh wow, you know, and she's fancy. Lay down. Make her ugly. Who cares? You're not on shops. You wish. What? Oh, look at how. Oh, that's fine. Oh. Okay.
Wow.
Irgendwo in meinem Haus, als du nicht gestern. Komm schon, lass es sein.